Hello everyone, I'm Natura, depression and human herpesvirus. How true is the claim that scientists found a causative protein? Depression is not a disease caused by mental weakness or a lack of willpower. It is a medical disorder characterized by persistent depressed mood, loss of interest or pleasure, changes in sleep and appetite, overwhelming fatigue, and other symptoms that interfere with daily life. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, depression develops through a complex interaction of genetic and biological factors, along with stress, loss, and environmental influences. One area of growing research focuses on human herpesvirus 6b, HHV 6b, studied by a research group at the Jikei University School of Medicine in Tokyo. HHV 6b infects most people during early childhood and then remains dormant in the body for life. In a 2020 study, researchers identified a latent viral protein called SITH1, which is produced by astrocytes surrounding the olfactory bulb. SITH1 binds to a human protein called CAML, promoting calcium influx into cells. In mouse experiments, this was associated with cell death in the olfactory bulb, excessive activation of the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal HPA axis, which regulates the body's stress response, and depression-like behaviors. In a human study, 79.8% of people with depression tested positive for SITH1-related antibodies, compared with 24.4% of healthy controls, corresponding to an odds ratio of 12.2. In 2024, researchers also reported an association between depression and genetic variations in the virus that influence SITH1 expression. However, this does not mean that SITH1 has been proven to cause all cases of depression. The current human evidence primarily demonstrates an association, not definitive causation. Establishing a causal relationship requires independent replication by other research groups, large-scale longitudinal studies, and clinical treatment trials. At present, SITH1 testing and anti-herpes medications are not part of the standard diagnosis or treatment of depression. Even so, this research reinforces an important message. Depression is not a sign of personal weakness or laziness. It is a biological illness involving the brain, the immune system, and the body's stress response mechanisms. Effective treatments, including psychotherapy and antidepressant medications, are available. If depressive symptoms persist, it is important to seek professional medical care rather than trying to endure them through willpower alone. Thank you so much. Bye.